We are out here for practice 1 at Road America, and there goes Christian. Conveniently, we're at the Bimmer World paddock. Okay, so they're back into the pit right now during practice 1. Christian's car is right here, Clay's back there, PJ, and then Bruce. And if anyone's curious what those top wheels are on those cars, they are Momo Catania. The wheels on the TCA cars are 17x8 new speed RSE 05s. So if you want your Mini to look like one of the TC cars, you can. What are we working on right now?
Well, I think they're working out a gear positioning sensor issue. Maybe not an issue at all, but we're just trying to get it back through tech. We had to raise the ride height a little bit.
How much?
3 or 4 millimeters. Which is quite a bit for...
Yeah, 3 or 4 millimeters. That's almost a quarter of an inch.
Yeah. So we're about to run it back through tech. Put some more fuel in it and get it ready for practice 2.
Put it in third. All right. Where are the other two? Are they at tech right now? So yeah, you heard from Ethan. They're running the cars through tech again. Had to make some adjustments to Christian's car. So practice 2 will be in about 2 hours. So. Okay, so we're at practice 2 at Road America for the weekend, and I'm out here. I'm not sure which corner I'm at, but got a good vantage point to watch the guys go by, so. In fact, this is a fantastic vantage point. I don't know if I could have picked one any better than this. So here comes Christian. Here comes Clay. There goes PJ. Now, where's Bruce? So if you're wondering, practice 2, just like practice 1, is about 30 minutes long, gives them time to go around the track and really get an idea of how the car is going to handle, especially given the fact that Road America recently repaved. So they want to make sure the cars are up to the task, obviously, but practices happen at every race. But this one's particularly more important because it's been repaved. So we want to make sure that we can go around the track and that the tires stick and I've been pausing because the cars are going by and I don't want to interrupt. Here comes Christian coming around again. His number 37 car is looking really good right now. There's number 60. Clay coming off of a weekend sweep at VIR, and he's looking really good right now. And here comes PJ coming off his first win at VIR in TCA class. Now Bruce Marine, he's raced with us before in Indianapolis last year. So he's racing at Road America with us this year, and he's going to be with us again at Indianapolis as well. So here comes Bruce in the number 63 Mini, and this is Christian's old car actually, when Christian was racing in TCA. All right, so we're wrapping things up for the evening. Getting Clay's car ready for tomorrow. Christian's car is having some transmission work done, but it should be ready to go for tomorrow. And PJ's car is ready to go, and Bruce's car is ready to go. So we got a lot done today. The practices went very well. Everyone's just hanging out right now for the most part. But things should be good to go for qualifying tomorrow morning and race 1 of the weekend at Road America. So lots to look forward to. Pretty exciting stuff. So I'm looking forward to tomorrow, definitely. We shall see how things go. But I'm going to sign off for the evening.